Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalamu ala asyrofil mursalin sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala sahbihi ajmain amma ba'd. Honorable Dr. Raja Anuddin Madun and Honorable Dr. Haji Khalid MD of Director Science for Kamil Arif Vida about the School Foundation and the respectable Nizam Tatasan SPD of Headmaster Arif Vida Junior School and respectable my teacher, my friend and my family. My name is Muhammad Daniel. My class is IKM Dasal Quran Arif Vida. My name is Amdal Dasal Quran Arif Vida. Today I want to presentation is about coke. Coke in defense mechanism of the body, the respiratory system. The occurrence of coughing in is only of system of disease or the body's reaction to disorders in the respiratory and from food, dust, animal hair or pollen on flowers to moon that causes scalding are generally in the upper part of the respiratory tract. Scalding is divided into acute cough in the and chronic cough. Acute cough is a cough that lasts no more than 3 weeks. Most acute cough will heal and there one. Subacute cough is cough that lasts for 8 weeks. Pulmonary tuberculosis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease of acute reflux disease that is proved within the time. See a doctor as this may be a symptom of a more serious problem. And in addition, there are several other reasons to see a doctor immediately if you have a cough, including cough, getting swelling or lumps in the neck, weight loss, difficult swallowing, permanent voice can be cured by drinking honey mixed with boiled lime juice. The mixture of honey and lime is drunk 3 times a day until the cough stop. Nah, jadi batuk merupakan salah satu mekanisme perataan tubuh pada sistem pernafasan. Batuk hanya merupakan gejala suatu penyakit atau reaksi tubuh terhadap gangguan pada saluran pernafasan oleh berbagai benda asing yang masuk ke dalamnya. Batuk terjadi karena adanya rangsangan tertentu. Batuk merupakan gejala awal dari penyakit influenza dan asma. Selain itu, batuk merupakan cara pertama menyebar ke penyakit TBC. Batuk dapat disebabkan oleh alergi pada saluran pernafasan. Alergi ini dapat muncul karena adanya rangsangan dari makanan, debu, bulu hewan atau sebu dari cari bunga. Rangsangan yang menimbulkan batuk umumnya berada di bagian atas saluran pernafasan. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.